Show me what it's like to be circling among the clouds. Because without you by my side, I would be stuck here on the ground. You're lighting up the way, I can see the road ahead of me. I won't be stumbling in the dark. Your eyes are shining like the stars. I was down until you saved me, until you set me free. Now I see clear as day, and I just wanted to say that you can take me high.
We got a
Hey there, Small.
driver in the tennis
Lots
racket.
of small tights
That's
there.
some dope ass shit.
Wow, lots of guys.
Mom.
And then we're gonna push this and move this to the wall. So there's lots of, oh my gosh, lots of skylight from trade. We're just gonna push this to the wall and we're gonna clean up and then we're gonna change the matting.
I was never the one to write up a song for just anyone. I was always the one to find myself lost in all conversations. Cause I've always been told that things will unfold if you keep on waiting. But then you came along and proved me all wrong. I was so mistaken. Cause you glue all the pieces back together. Yeah, you take all my wrongs and make them better. Yeah, you're making me wanna try forever. I feel so free, oh my sweet baby. I was never the one to give up the ghost. No, I was so stuck. I kept on playing my part, wanting to give up cause nothing was changing. But with you it's so clear, and now that you're here I see colors in every spectrum. Guess I finally learned my lesson. Cause you glue all the pieces back together. Yeah, you take all my wrongs and make them better. Yeah, you're making me wanna try forever. I feel so free, oh my sweet baby. Myself, and I'm thinking out loud, we won't need nothing else for the rest of our time. And I know it so well, I will always be by your side. Cause you glue all the pieces back together. Yeah, you take all my wrongs and make them better. Yeah, you're making me wanna try forever. And I feel so free, oh my sweet baby.
So I just installed a white wallpaper on this side of the wall. I know it's going to be hard to maintain, but this is what works for me, well, at least for now. And as you can tell, I already finished like half of the wall, so I'm just going to fill in the rest of it and then it's done. I am also going to baby-proof this chest box for added protection. The twins are super active, like they would always run and bump their head and face like everywhere, so this will help to prevent those accidents and keep them safer.
Cause you glue all the pieces back together. Yeah, you take all my wrongs and make them better. Yeah, you're making me wanna try forever. And I feel so free, oh my sweet baby. Cause you glue all the pieces back together. Yeah, you take all my wrongs and make them better. Yeah, you're making me
This is where I keep all their toys and books. During the morning, they would play all of this stuff that's in here, and I tuck them all away when they sleep at night. It has been a part of my routine to constantly pick up toys on the floor, and it's easier for me to clean it all up because I don't need to arrange it inside this box since it's hidden. So I just dump it in, and that's it. Don't make your life too hard. Now I'm going to make shelvings to put up on one of the blank walls. I'm just doing my measurements so it's even on both sides. And yes, I haven't done this before. I'm not even sure if I'm doing it right. I'm just following my guts. And so I'm really taking my time, and I hope I don't mess this up. This is one of the projects I chose to do and that I'm really excited on. I've been wanting to put up something on the wall that I did myself. I got inspired by posts that I see on Pinterest, and it kind of made me want to do it.
Show me what it's like to be circling in the clouds, because without you by my side, I would be stuck here on the ground. You're lighting up the way, I can see the road ahead of me. I won't be stumbling in the dark. Your eyes are shining like the stars. I was down until you saved me, until you set me free. My eyes were closed, now I see clear as day, and I just wanted to say that you can take me high. Feels like I can fly. You can take me high. I can see the sun staring at you when you make that smile. I'm moving closer to you now. I can't get close enough somehow. And I was down until you saved me, until you set me free. My eyes were closed, now I see clear as day, and I just wanted to say that you can take me high. Feels like I can fly. I don't need anybody, I don't need anybody else. No one will ever take me, no one will ever take me away from you. I promise I will hold on to you. I don't know what I'd do without you. Without you.
City of mine, how I love the city of mine. It never gets me down. City of mine, how I love the city of mine. It never gets me down, yeah.
I was born in the city, I was raised on its edges. My pop worked his life when it's complex. I found love in its center. If I could live here forever, think it'd be for the better. I love the weather, even though it's fog 24/7. I love the people, this is city I met all my best friends. And I wanna thank every break, I wanna thank every entrance to every building that I step in this city of mine. I owe you most my best moments in life. See, I fell in love for the first time in Golden Gate Park. I saw my first rap show at Great American Hall. I used to beg my homies for a ride across the bridge to goof off and spend the whole damn day doing whatever we want. Keith drove us down to Ike's place while we'd roll up a blunt, and me and Jack would get stoned, walk around and get lost. Don't think I'll ever truly pay back all I was lucky to get just by walking through the city. No, I'm a small part of this.
City of mine, how I love this city of mine. It never gets me down. City of mine, how I love this city of mine. It never gets me down.
I never really had a place to call my own, so I travel and I roam till I find that But I'm full of adventure, so I wander and I venture, and it's safe to say that really I don't.